Hi, hi. So just came to 15th, 15th of January 2025. So we're currently at, yeah, we just traded 15th. Oh, crazy. We just traded, dude. So let's go to 16th. So let's just quickly go to 16th. So currently we are at 15th of January 2025, 4:30. So let's just run our backtested data. So let me keep it at 50. So let's just see what happens. So I'm having buy stops here, sell stops here, and I'm having the stops here. So the price currently traded through this one, and we're having above old highs. So it's running through this. So just expecting, yeah, price ran through this. So let's just keep this high. Yeah, crazy, right? So I'm just looking for that my own candle to appear on the chart. So let's just see. Hmm. So is it gonna shift, or is it gonna continue to the other side of liquidity? Yeah, something is making some sensible thing. No. So came to 7:30, 17:30. So we left with 18:30 and 19:30. So let's just quick forward what happened. Yeah, price is like a noise on the chart. Lot of noise. Lot of noise. No movement at all. Just a lot of noise. So 18:30 we came. So now it's been a noise. Still noise. Still noise. No. So I didn't see that leading actor shifting the price. That's crazy. Yeah, we came near 19:30. No, so we didn't see anything. So this January 15th data also wasted. So look at this price action from this point to this point. So look at the price action. So just a normal coming down higher, coming down with a lot of noise, coming down, noise. So no leading actor here, so it's a high resistant trading environment. So we have come to 16th of 2025. So we are at annual session again. So let's just see how it's gonna unfold. So the narrative is simple. We're having stops here, and then we're having a stops here. Let's just check out what's gonna do. Yeah, I am seeing something good. Surprise gone through this point. So just checking for the leading actor. Yeah, we have seen the leading actor. But price didn't trade it to it that fast. So price didn't trade it through it at that fast. So didn't place any entry. Yeah, we're seeing some kind of a down noise. So we're having these stops here. A good candle. So just checking out. Checking out. Yeah, that good candle. Looking, no, nope. Something is forming. Yeah, we had an entry. We're having an entry. So taken an entry. SL is here. So let me just quickly go to 2 minutes. Yeah, so this FEG we taken an entry, and I'm targeting the stops here. So this particular entry been captured. So this FEG is captured. So we are on 2 minutes short. So we just captured this one actually, but so నేను ఏం చేశానంటే బై సైడ్ ఎంట్రీస్ తీసుకున్నా. So that's the reason. So it would have been profitable of more than 50 points, but fortunately I took a wrong side entries. But this is okay, but my anticipation is working like good. So I'm targeting this one. So looking for price to sweep this. Oh, it came out of 930. So let's just close the entry. So I'm just closing. We're out of 930. I didn't even check out. So actually, after after seeing this leading actor, I took an entry. That entry is this one, which is worked well. సో బికాస్ నేనేం చేశానంటే ఇక్కడ బయ్యం చూసుకొని ఆర్డర్ ప్లేస్ చేశాను. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐ లాస్ట్ ఆన్ దిస్ ట్రేడ్, బట్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ దిస్ ఎంట్రీ ఆఫ్టర్ సీయింగ్ ద లీడింగ్ యాక్టర్ అండ్ ఇట్ వర్క్డ్ వెల్. సో లెట్స్ జస్ట్ switch to another day immediately. So we are 17th January 2025. So currently price is trading, and yeah, we are having this stops here. The price ran through the stop, so which is this stop. So I think it's gonna be a drawn on liquidity. I'm looking for that one leading actor. Yeah, it's been appearing. Let me just switch to 2 minutes. Yeah, seen a leading actor. I just want to take a sell entry. It is a Fiji. Crazy. Oh god. So come on. Yeah, taken an entry in this order block, 2 minutes order block. So I'm just targeting the stop here. More or less I'm targeting this stop as well. So we're gonna hit stop loss, I feel. Yeah, stop loss been hit. Oh crazy, it traded through this. Let me just take an entry. Let me give my sell here. Crazy move. Yeah, I'm just expecting price to trade low because we're having a stop here and we had a nice stop here as well. Yeah, the leading actor appeared again, so I'm just waiting to take another entry here. Oh, that's crazy. The trade it's been going. Oops, that's a crazy shot. Let me just switch to 3 minutes once. Yeah, it's coming low. Let me switch again to 4 minute. Am I having any order block? Yeah, I'm having this imbalance here. So if it trades to this imbalance, I'll try to take an entry. So as we thought, so it stops here. So I'm having here, just looking forward for price to play out. I'm sure it's gonna trade low, so I just want to close here at $50. No, I just want to see how price taking these lows. I'll just wait So wait for price to clear these little chunks. Uh, yeah, it's trading. That's perfect. That's really perfect. We're having this low to be cleaned, so just want to keep my target here. It's a winning entry despite of the trade profit, because our anticipation just worked well. So I'm sure it's gonna trade lower. Yeah. So we ran out of time. 1930 is a window. 1930. Yeah, we're here. So let's just run to 2 candles. Check out here. So this is the trade we have taken. So we have taken basing on 2 minutes. No, not 2 minutes, I think. 3 minutes short. Need 4 minutes. No, maybe 1 minute only there. So after I seen this particular shift in price, so this leading actor, so made the price to shift. Once price shifted, I take an entry on here. So at this point I have taken an entry. So at this point I have taken an entry and it performed well. So more than $17.80 performed. So I'm okay. I ran out of time. Let me just close it. So $500 now, $50. Price literally in the choppiness. What a view! Crazy. It's like a crazy price action. Oh, it's a very high resistance price action. So let's just see how it's gonna do in our session. Oh, good price action. So let me just check. So it may try to take one side or continue this choppiness. So yeah, crazy. So we are seeing price reach to this one, but then clear the high. So still waiting. Crazy. What a market it is. Yeah, the drawn liquidity is done. So I'm just waiting. No. So let's just see, because it respected this one. Yeah, the an entry, an immediate entry. Yeah, because I'm quite late on the entry. So I just want to keep a seller here. So I'm just targeting this low here, as well as this low here. Oh, I think we're out of time. No, we're not out of time. That's quite crazy. Nope. So it's been protected by this order block, I think. Let's just see. Is there any chance? Yeah, we have a performing candle here. So crazy. I think we can take an entry here if it comes here. Wow. Wow. Price took crazy. It's just swept. So we're out of our time. So let me just stop. We're out of our time and price came near. Where is it? Price traded to this particular block, $25. So anyhow, let's just close. We are out of time. So we came to 21 January 2025. So let's just run the tape. So currently, so I'm having this stop. I'm having this stop as well. So, and I'm having these stops as well here. So let me just check out how price gonna unfold. So let me just check out how price gonna do its work. So I think price gonna run to this stop for sure. So it didn't come along. Yeah, it's trading through the stop. I'm just looking for that leading actor. Yeah, it's been presenting its own self, but I'm looking for that gyration. Yeah, that gyration has started. So let me just switch back to 2 minutes. So let me take a sell entry because I just want to, this is my entry point. So let me just take another entry, close this one, keep this as an SL. So lost, literally lost. That's quite crazy because that's not a leading actor. Might be. Again traded, it's an indication. Maybe this trading session gonna be in high resistance, I feel so. So let me just run the tape. So 740. As expected, this session is going to be like a high resistance session. Crazy. No particular direction for the price. So that means we are correct in our entry. So we are coming through 1930. Where is 1930? Yeah. See the price action. So 1630, 1930. Look at the window. So price shown a good volume, but again traded to this place. So here it's showing a signal. It's not willing to go lower, so it's not gonna be one-sided. That is the reason. See the price traded lower, again higher, traded low, and again going higher. So this choppy nature indicates high resistance trading. So see this. So let's just switch to another day. So we are again at our NY session. So it's 1630. So let me just forward to 1630. Let me just check out how my session is gonna play like. So I'm having these stops here and this stop as well, and I'm having this stop as well right here. So price is trying. Yo, we've shown a good candle. So let me just take an entry. If price flips it, so it's gonna going. So let me just take one entry. So I just taken my entry here because I'm targeting this little chunk here. So I'm targeting this little chunk here. So take an entry here. So I'm looking. So my SL is gonna be at. So let me take SL here. So I'm anticipating price gonna trade with this. If it's not, let me just wait. What is there? Let me just take an SL. So there is nothing like feeling sad for it. So I'm sure it's gonna trade to that point, but I'm ready for the possible outcome. So let me just put a lot of resistance resistance happening here. So it didn't trade to this point. So I just hit SL might be highest near to my SL. Very near to the SL. Still a choppy nature. Let's looking forward. Yeah. So let me just switch it out 2 minutes and check out. So this is something crazy. Yeah, it's still stuck in the range of this side to this side. Literally this leading active failed to lead the price. Yes, I'm just seeking. Yeah, some kind of a shift, but just not a strong shift. Little stuck, dude. So I think it has given an indication here already. So that price is gonna be damn one side, damn high resistance. And let's see. Oh, that good candle. Trade to her lock. Just checking out. Just need one good candle. This is good candle. Another good candle. So let me just switch to 2 minutes. So let me just see. Yeah. Let me just switch to 3 minutes. So let me take a buy entry. So this is actually the entry point, but I taken here just because I'm quite impulsive. That's the reason I take an entry there. So let me keep my SL here at $38. Definitely want to trade through this point, but I just taken an entry. Three minutes is quite clear. Yeah, it's coming to this FVG, but it's a late reaction, a very late reaction. So I think this entry is gonna hit us as well. That's a hit. Oh, very bad. So look at the choppy nature of the price. So it's traded and again come back, and it's traded again come back. Clean choppy nature, nothing like anything else. So we have found a good leading actor here, but failed to lead and we have found leading actors here. So the 1, 2, but failed to go. So end of the day, we booked a loss in this session. Yeah, let me just switch immediately to another. So quite crazy. No, so we have come to 23 January. So we're having good pools of liquidity, a lot of story on the chart. So we're having the stops here. Oops. Perfect. So perfect. Let me just switch to 5 minutes. Let me just switch to 5 minutes. This taken out. So I'm just having this line. So let me just see this price gonna take to this point. పెద్ద దూరం కూడా లేదు. Swap this one, but yeah, let me just see. So I'm not willing to buy. Just me switch to 1 minute. Crazy. The first presented FEG, that's not an FEG currently. So let me just see. Look for an entry. The leading actor. Just forward the candle. So we came along to 1730. We came along to 1730 and yeah, price is trading higher. There is no displacement. There is no leading actor. So we have come to 18. Still price is chart is full of noise, no clearness. So 1830 we came, still a noise, lot of noise. So we came along to 19, still the noise is same. Yeah, they end up to 19. 35. So this is your line and this is your line. So look at this chart. Is there any kind of a particular, what I mean to say, tradable direction, or is there any kind of a leading actor? No, right? So this is called a high resistance trading environment. It just trade higher, come lower, trade higher, come lower, trade higher, come lower, trade higher, come lower. Just the choppiness is called a high resistance. So this 23 day also is a no trading environment for us. Let's just switch to another. Here we came to 1630, which is 24 January 2025. So let's just trade. So the chart is having a choppy nature, so as observed. So we're having stops here. Let's just see the leading actor. So let's not take an entry here. So let me just wait. Is there any kind of okay? So price took out earlier. So let me just switch to 5 minutes just on we're having this little chunk here as well, and we're having an efficiency as well here. So let me just switch to 2 minutes. Is there any kind of signal in 3 minutes? 4 minutes. Let me just observe the price first. That's good. This candle, a very good candle. Crazy, crazy. So literally thinking price gonna hit this. So just forward the candle. They come to 1830. Forward the candle 1930. Yeah, they came to neither day. Again, this day also waste of time. No entry. No entry. So this is the high. This is the low formed in the session. From this high to from this low, see the price. No interest of going higher, no interest of going low. So this is a high resistance. So lot of mess. So we have come to this particular trading day, 27th. So let's just continue trading. So it's an invite session again. So this low here, the leading actor is being presented. Oh, crazy. I'm just trying to take a sell entry if price trades with this imbalance here. This imbalance right here. Is there any chance for me to buy? No immediate reaction, really. No immediate reaction. So I'm just still waiting. Yeah, again, so I'm just want to take an entry here. Order block. Let me take an entry order block. We just keep here because third candle traded to this, but SL hit. It's all my own things, really. So we came to 1830. So we came to 19, we come to 1930 as well. So again a waste of again not waste of time. High resistance price action. If it could have created this FVG, I could have taken it and conquered this. So look at from this range to this range. So price just trading in this particular range. So it's traded higher. So how it's traded higher? Inversely traded. So there is no institutional sponsorship, and we have seen institutional sponsorship here, but see the late reaction and see these chunks. See this very crazy price action, how it reached to this high. Again a high resistance day for me. So let me just switch to another day. So you're having a good trading. So 1627, which is a 1630 January 28th NY session. So this leading actor has been provided and inversely traded into it and going higher. Maybe let's just check and wait. Let me just switch to 5 minutes. Okay, we are having price might trade to this side and it might trade to this side as well. So let me just get into 1 minute. So see this. Oops. Just checking. Still there is no price displacement or continuation. Yeah, that's not. Oh, we have come to 18. So let me just run the tape. So we have come along to 1820, so 1830. The leading axis performing. Yeah, that's quite crazy. We have come to 19. So just nope, no trading. No trading. So what are these candles? Not a good price action. Even the price is one-sided, the environment for trading is quite late, laggy, choppy, so crazy. So I really don't like this kind of price action on the chart. Even though this good volume candles presented, there is no instant reaction to it. So there is no institutional sponsorship on this session as well. So this is here also. There is no instant reaction push. So 28th also is a high resistance day. No trading for us. So I come along to 29th NY session. It is a 6:30 time window, a 16:30 window. So just looking forward. So price taken this one. So the price traded through this and where it is trying to reach might be to this particular level. So we're just having these dolls as well. So I'm looking for that institutional sponsorship. So we come along to 17:30. Let me just forward the candle and check out. No. So we came to 18. Yeah. Again price came to this line. I mean this particular stop. We come to 18:20, 18:30. Nope. No hope. So we come to, oh crazy. So this is something. Let me just wait how it's gonna do. So let me just take a sell entry because good volume is there. So far I missed it and now it is occurred on the chart. So let me just switch back to 5 minutes. So I'm just having targeting this low. Oops, it's just cleaned. Just wait and yeah, 1930. We have come to 1930 as well and finished it. Our trading. Let me just check out the session. So here we have taken an entry and it's shown a good move and again it reversed again come. So this is also a way bad day and a good resistance day. I mean a very high resistance day. Gone higher, come down, gone higher, come down, come higher, come down. Taken this and taken this one again and again price there, taken this one. Very bad, way bad. High resistance day. So January 30 also we have a high resistance day. So that's it. We don't know why, but I assume that it's a higher resistance day. January 30 also. So just get down to 16:30. Yeah, let me forward the candle. Yeah, So we are 31 January and trading the NY 4:30 time. We have a low here. We have a high here, and we have a stop as well here. So let me just wait to show price its significance. So this is what we have here. So just looking forward here. Crazy move. So let me just wait. So price has taken these lows. Wow, that may have switched to 2 minutes and see is there any kind of, yeah, we have displacement. I just want to take a sell entry. Sell entry. Oops, wait, dude. Chacha devada. So taken a sell entry somewhere. Trade it again. There is no instant reaction as well. Where it's reaching this. Let it reach. Let it reach. Oh no, this is not a good sign. So just want to take an entry here. So I'm targeting this low. Showing its good volume here. So I just want to switch to 5 minutes, 6 minutes once. So directly this line we are having. Just want to switch to 1 minute, check out. Yeah, price traded through this. Again traded through this, going low. So again gave an entry. Let me just take another entry. Let me keep SL here. So let me switch back to 6 minutes. So this is the line I'm targeting. So I just want to take another entry here. Crazy, place 2 entries. So looking forward price to clear this one. Yeah, good time left with us. So I'm just looking. So after this good displacement I have taken an entry. So it respected this order block. So price is in good range again. So let me just tape run. So let me just check out whether it's 9:30. Yeah, it's 9:30. Let me just close the entries. Yeah, they close the entries. So after this good price displacement only I have taken entry, because price shown its significance here. Good volume gain, entire shift. And price been one-sided. Just see the price being one-sided here. So this is what we want in a trading session. So try to reach to this high, but didn't reach it. We have seen a sudden sharp fall. If we switch to 2 minutes, we see clear sharp fall. So in a continuation. So this is what happened. And moreover, in 2 minutes, the hunt is approached. So let me switch to 3 minutes. Yeah, we have a hunt here as well. So this been hunted, seen a sharp fall. Moreover, so there is no instant reaction, but in 1 minute we have got that reaction. So I thought that it's gonna perform. It performed it. So here I have taken an entry. So just here I have placed an entry and it performed. So same thing, respected, continued, and we have seen that low and same order low, respected, and price sharply fall. No, so respected again. So this is about 1 month. January is completed. So we have read the tape. We have done with the January session. Let's just conclude.